all the great men throughout history have had something in the beginning which held them back. I don't think there's any exception to this rule. So they fought to overcome it. So therefore, you can all do this. You must, of course, change your outlook quite a lot, possibly, or you may not have to. Every little job you do in the meantime, whether it's a part of your success plan or not, put it this way, it may not come into your success plan, but make it come into your success plan by training yourself. Regard that job as a training, as a discipline, as something you are doing, as a practice. When I used to have to go to business, doing various jobs, I used to regard that as karma yoga. I knew that if I was in an Eastern school, I'd have to physically take the begging bowl round for about 10 to 12 years. So this, to me, was a necessary discipline, was a part of my training, was a karma yogic practice. With the result, although some of the jobs I couldn't bear, the business world to me, well, I do have a name for it, but it isn't nice. I didn't like it at all, but although I did every job absolutely successfully. So much so that one man I worked for was one of the richest men in England. He asked me to write my own reference and he'd sign it. Very, very rare thing. I don't suppose the man had ever done it before in his life, for anybody. Why, to me, working for him was an essential discipline, an essential practice, was a stepping stone to something, some mission or calling which I knew would come when everything was ready.